seen little G in a long time, but I still think it's time you had that talk with him about the birds and the bees. I know you don't know what to say to him, but I still think it's best if it comes from you. Lil G! Your daddy's gonna have that talk with you now, okay?
Flatulate yourself over here, my little Zygon. Flatulate, don't be redundant. Now, you see, when a man liposucks a woman's mammogram, it is the titillating expression between lubrication of two secreting adults, you dig?
Yeah, a pro-trick. Chitty bang bangs like frosted mini wheat.
No. It's much more mucozoid than that, my little genophilia. It's the adolescent Dukakis that is calculated, you understand, by the insane or Hussein, depending on the confrontation forthwith. Furthermore, post-taste, post-office, creating a mediocre type arsenic treatiology, you understand? Am I being correct?
Gesundheit. A most spectacular off-ramp. But sometimes I'm defecated
right,
by my misfortune.
That's very antiseptic, my little hors d'oeuvre. But do not homogenize the Neutrogena or Gina, depending on the woman.
That's so Nintendo. My own giblets are under surveillance.
Oh, that's deep. That's my son there. You've radiated mucho ambivalence, as the French people say.
Time's up. Let's go, Oswald.
Hey, remember, don't constipate your mother's hemorrhoid. Fornicate my redemption. I recede to my own bowels.